Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. Today we are going to discuss example 1.3. Two small size identical equally charged sphere each having mass 1 gram are hanging in equilibrium as shown in the figure. The length of the each string is 10 centimeter and the angle theta is 7 degree with vertical. Calculate the magnitude of the charge in each sphere. What is given? G value is given, that is 10 meter second power minus 2. Suppose if you have two uncharged sphere, means there is no attraction or repulsion takes place because both the spheres are uncharged sphere. So the angle between the two is 0 degree. Here both the spheres are positively charged. You know, like charges repel each other. Both the spheres are positively charged one. So repulsive force acts between the two spheres. Just mark the force as Fe. What is this Fe? Fe is nothing but electrostatic force. In our Coulomb's law, we just mark this Fe as F21 and this Fe as F1. What is F1 to F21? All are nothing but electrostatic force. I named as electrostatic force, that is F suffix E. The length of the string is L. The mass of the sphere is M. The gravitational force acts in the downward direction like this. Same way, the tension on the sphere due to the string acts in this direction, just opposite to this force. Extend this line like this, or look at the diagram. I am just considering this sphere alone. From the center, the string distance is L. It makes an angle theta. From the center, the distance is A. What is this mg? Mg is nothing but gravitational force acts in the downward direction. What is this T? Tension on the string acts in this direction. So here theta means this angle is also theta. This is nothing but alternate angle. Here this is T and this is theta. So T has resolved into two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. Adjacent to this theta is called T cos theta. So this line is adjacent to theta. So this portion is T cos theta and this line is T sin theta. What is equilibrium? Equilibrium means net force acting on the object must be 0. That is, know that F is equal to ma. That is equal to 0 means that object is in the equilibrium position. At equilibrium, if it is equilibrium means the left hand side of force is equal to right hand side of the force. X direction we have T sin theta, right? T sin theta is equal to Fe. This is right hand side and this is left hand side. At equilibrium position, you just equate the x direction forces, that is T sin theta equal to Fe. This is equation 1. Next, equate the y component forces. So this is my y component force, that is T cos theta is equal to mg. So this is y component of force. At equilibrium position, you should equate the right hand side of forces to left hand side. Upward force equal to downward force. So this is our equation 1 and 2. Just divide equation 1 and 2. Sin theta divided by T cos theta is equal to Fe divided by mg. So cancel this T. What is sin theta by cos theta? That is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to Fe by mg. So m you know, mass of the sphere, then g you know, 10 meter second power minus 2, then theta you know, should calculate Fe. What is this Fe? Fe is nothing but the magnitude of electrostatic force. Fe is equal to, that is K Q1 Q2 by R square. I didn't mark the unit vector because I am taking only the magnitude. So you need not write the unit vector. Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q. Fe is equal to K q square divided by r square. K value you know, 9 into 10 to the power of 9. What they asked, calculate the magnitude of the charge. So you should calculate q. Then if you want to calculate q means you need r. In this diagram, up to this distance is a. You know that the distance between the two sphere is r. But this distance is a means this is also a. Why? Because this string is in the equilibrium position. So this is a means this is also a. Then r is equal to 2a. Just add these two. So r is equal to 2a. You should find out a. How do you find out a? So take this triangle alone like this. So here this is a and this is theta and this is L. I am taking this part alone. Here you find out sine theta. What is sine theta formula? That is opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? A. A divided by hypotenuse is L because this is 90 degrees. So hypotenuse is L. Suppose if you want to find out A means that is L sine theta. R is equal to 2A. R is equal to 2A. So R is equal to A is L sine theta to L sine theta. So we found out R value, K value. Just substitute in this equation. Say this is equation 4. Substitute in equation 4. That is Fe is equal to K Q square divided by 2L sine theta the whole square. This is our equation 5. Substitute equation 5 in equation 3. So tan theta is equal to K Q square divided by 2L sine theta the whole square into mg. I want to find out q. So bring this q square here. Q square is equal to 2L sine theta the whole square mg tan theta divided by k. You want to find out q means that is 2L sine theta square root of mg tan theta divided by k. This is equation 6. Here our final expression is q is equal to 2L sine theta square root of mg tan theta divided by k. Substitute all the values. Here L is given 10 centimeter, right? Convert this centimeter into meter, that is 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Just multiply this, you can get 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. So here 2 into L is 10 to the power of minus 1, sine theta is 7 degree. What is m? M is 10 to the power of minus 3, g is 10 and tan 7 degree divided by k value. K value is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. 2 into sine 7 degree, bring this 10 power minus 1 to denominator, that is 10, square root of, here bring this 10 to the power of minus 3 to denominator like this. Remaining term is same. 2 into sine 7 degree divided by 10, square root of 10 into tan 7 degree. Here 9 into, just add the powers, 9 plus 3, 12. Here 2 into sine 7 degree 10, take square root to this value, 9 into 10 to the power of 12 means you can get 3 into 10 to the power of 6. Remaining value is square root of 10 into tan 7 degree. In your book, natural sine and natural tangent table is given, just verify it. According to that table, sine 7 degree is 0.12186. So you round off for 4 figures. So this one is greater than 5. So you can write like this 0.1219. Tan 7 degree is 0.12278. So round off for 4 digit. So 0.1228. Substitute the values. Here just multiply 2 into 0.1219. 2 into 0.12 means 0.2438. Substitute the value, divided by 3 into 10 to the power 7. Cancel this. Here find out the root value. I got the value as 1.10 for this square root value. For the square root value is 1.10. Just multiply this. You can get the answer as 8.9 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb, or you can write 8.9 nano coulomb.